Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to dry silica gel packets. These tiny powerhouses are fantastic for absorbing moisture, protecting your valuable items from humidity and dampness. Instead of discarding them once they're saturated, you can easily rejuvenate them right at home. This not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste. We'll cover two effective methods: using your oven and using your microwave, ensuring your silica gel is ready to protect again. First up, the oven method. Begin by preheating your oven to a low temperature, specifically 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully spread your saturated silica gel packets in a single, even layer on a clean baking sheet. Bake them for approximately 1 to 2 hours. Keep a close eye on them. You'll notice the gel beads changing color, typically from a pink or green hue back to their original blue or orange, indicating they are dry and ready. Next, let's explore the microwave method, which is quicker but requires more attention. Place your silica gel packets in a microwave-safe dish, making sure they don't overlap. Start by microwaving them on medium-low power for just 30 seconds. Crucially, allow a 5-minute cooling period after each burst. Repeat these 30-second intervals and cooling periods until the gel beads have fully regained their original, vibrant color. Patience is key here to prevent overheating. Once your silica gel packets are thoroughly dried, it's vital to store them correctly. Immediately place them into an airtight container to prevent them from reabsorbing moisture from the surrounding air. You can then reuse these rejuvenated packets to protect a wide array of items, such as sensitive electronics, important documents, or valuable tools. Remember to replace or re-dry them again when you observe their color change, signaling they've absorbed their maximum capacity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.